In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off flash notifications on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to head over to Settings. Then scroll down and tap Add Accessibility. After that we need to scroll down until we find Audio and Visual. Then just get into it and scroll down to the very bottom. Here we can easily find LED flash for alerts. And now all we have to do in order to turn off flash notifications on an iPhone is just turn off all of these switchers. Basically, guys, that's how you can easily turn off flash notifications on your iPhone, and if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.